episode 2 on how to make asteroids on Scratch. So today we're going to talk about player shooting. So let's start. First of all, we're going to make a new broadcast and add it to our setup script. I'm going to call it shoot. Now have a when I receive shoot, have a forever loop, and then let's make a new sprite called bullet. We're going to make a simple bullet. Okay. We're going to make a simple bullet and make sure it's at a reasonable size. About 7 by 7 pixels should do. And then what you're going to do is when green flag clicked, hide. And you're also going to do go to back layer. Okay, so in the forever loop, you're going to do create a clone of bullet and wait 1 second. But make sure all of that is inside an if, and make sure if space key pressed, create a clone of bullet, and wait 1 second. Okay, and then you can do when I start as a clone, you're going to go to player, point in direction of player, and show. And then you're going to do a repeat until touching edge. Move 10 steps. And then you're going to delete the clone. Because you keep moving until you're touching the edge. And then when you're touching the edge, you delete yourself. So let's see if this works. It works perfectly. You can see that we can make clones and we can shoot. Perfect. Now let's talk about a concept that Asteroids has, which is wrapping around. So if you're touching the top edge, you teleport to the bottom edge. Same thing for the right and left edges. So let's implement that. Make a new block called wrap around. Running that screen refresh. And you can place wrap around right below there. Okay, I'm dragging an if statement, and if y position is greater than 175, and then set y to the negative of y position. And to make sure we don't have any glitches, we're going to do plus 3. Let's just test it out. And it works perfectly. So now let's try to do this for all the edges. Duplicate the if statement, reverse it, and then do negative 75. Turn this to a subtract, and that should work for the bottom edge. There we go. Works perfectly. So now let's try to do it for the x-axis. If x position is greater than 235, then set x position to x position plus 3. Negative of x position plus 3. Oh, I forgot. I did set y, so we're going to set x. So it should work perfect. Now you're just going to duplicate this and do the same thing, but reversed. Negative 235 and subtract. So now this should work for all the edges. Perfect. Now in the next episode we're going to talk about implementing the asteroids so that this game actually has an objective, which is to destroy the asteroids. So we'll talk about that in the next episode. I'll see you guys soon, and be sure to like and subscribe. Bye.